Stop scrolling! Try these simple home hacks. From removing stubborn stains to organizing your space, these tricks save you time and money. Let's get started. Got an annoying water ring? Just place a clean, dry cloth right over the mark. Gently run a warm iron over it. The heat draws trapped moisture out of the wood. And just like that, it's gone. Always test a small area first. Cleaning blinds is a total pain. Just put a clean sock over your hand, dampen it, and run it across. It grabs dust faster than any cloth. Does your trash can smell even after you empty it? Place a few drops of lemon essential oil onto a cotton ball and put it at the bottom of the empty bin. It helps keep unpleasant odors under control. Have a door that keeps slamming shut? Place a small adhesive felt pad on the door frame where the door makes contact. It cushions the impact and can make the door noticeably quieter. Clean your ceiling fan. Here's a simple trick that prevents dust from falling everywhere. Take an old pillowcase and slide it over. Press gently and pull it back. The dust stays inside instead of falling on your furniture. Grab a slightly damp rubber glove. Run your gloved hand across the fabric. The hair will collect into little clumps. Now they are much easier to pick up. Tired of tangled charging cables? Use small binder clips along the edge of your desk. Clip each cable into place and you'll always know exactly where it is. No more searching through a pile of wires. Want your faucet to look cleaner? Use a little white vinegar. This helps remove mineral buildup. Wipe, then rinse and dry it. Avoid acids on sensitive surfaces. Protect drawers from mess. Small items inside can quickly become a disaster. Use boxes to create separate sections, one for batteries, cables, tools, and household items. Everything stays easier to find.
Don't turn your keyboard upside down and shake it. Use a soft brush to gently sweep crumbs from between the keys. Make sure the device is powered off before cleaning.
Here is a hack to freshen your shoes. They can develop smells over time. Place a dry tea bag inside each shoe. Leave them to sit overnight. It absorbs the moisture and odor. Can't reach the tiny gap between your appliances? Wrap a microfiber cloth around a thin, flat object and secure it carefully. Now you can reach those narrow spaces where dust usually hides. Hack 13. Make trash bags easier to pull. Keep the roll at the bottom of the bin. When you remove a full bag, the next one is immediately within reach. This makes taking out the trash much faster. A constantly moving rug can be annoying and unsafe. Use a proper non-slip rug pad underneath it. It helps keep the rug in place while also protecting your floor. Got candle wax stuck? Let it harden first. Then gently lift it with an old card. Avoid sharp metal tools that could scratch. Organize cleaning supplies. Instead of keeping cleaning products scattered around the house, place them together in a portable cleaning caddy. Now you can carry everything you need in one trip. Hack 17. Keep your fridge organized. Use small clear containers to group similar foods. Create sections for snacks, sauces, or drinks. You'll spend less time searching and waste less food. Hack 18 for your home. Wrap a microfiber cloth around a flat mop. Now just run it right along your baseboards. You can reach hard-to-get areas easily, and you don't even have to bend down.
Hack 19. Hide small cables. Use cable clips to guide them along your furniture. It makes the entire space look cleaner instantly.
Here's the simplest hack of all. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Pick up anything that's out of place, wipe one surface, and throw away obvious trash. Your home can feel dramatically more organized. And there you have it, 20 simple home hacks. Some take less than a minute, and many use things you already have. Which hack are you gonna try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple hacks that